Welcome to the LifeYield Retirement Optimizer Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are included in the description below. LifeYield Retirement Optimizer is a cutting-edge tool designed for individuals and financial advisors to enhance retirement outcomes by optimizing asset allocation, withdrawals, and tax efficiency. Built for those seeking smarter ways to maximize retirement income and minimize tax burdens, it's especially useful for people with diverse accounts and income sources. The tool seamlessly integrates with broader financial plans, making it versatile for both personal use and professional advisory. LifeYield focuses on maximizing a client's tax-efficient score, which assesses how well their accounts are organized to reduce taxes during withdrawals. The tool identifies the most tax-efficient sequence for withdrawals, ensuring retirees keep more of their savings over time. It incorporates Social Security optimization, investment accounts, and retirement plans like 401ks and IRAs into its analysis. One standout feature is its ability to identify opportunities for Roth conversions, which can have long-term tax benefits. The interface is intuitive, offering actionable insights presented in clear visuals and easy-to-follow reports. For advisors, it integrates smoothly into financial planning software, allowing for a cohesive client experience. The Retirement Optimizer also provides strategies for coordinating spousal benefits and aligning investment decisions with life stages, ensuring that plans adapt as retirement needs evolve. Another key highlight is LifeYield's ability to consolidate multi-account households into a single optimization strategy. This allows for coordinated planning across taxable accounts, tax-deferred accounts, and tax-exempt accounts, maximizing overall efficiency. Its dynamic modeling capabilities make it suitable for scenario planning, allowing users to explore what-if scenarios such as changing retirement dates or adjusting savings rates. LifeYield is ideal for anyone serious about improving retirement outcomes, whether they're managing their own finances or advising clients. It's a powerful tool to simplify complex retirement decisions, ensuring users can achieve their goals with confidence and clarity. For more details and to explore its benefits, check out the links in the description below.